Hi, and welcome to Infinity, your ultimate hub for all things AI and tech. Whether you're a deep technologist or just AI curious, we break it all down for you. Latest news, memes, podcasts, simplified AI concepts, and deep dives into the future of technology, making AI easy, fun, and insightful for everyone. By now, unless you've been living under a rock, you have probably heard the buzz about DeepSeek. It's making waves in the AI world, and if you caught my previous video, link below, I briefly touched on it while discussing OpenAI's Deep Reach announcement. But today, we're going even deeper. Imagine running DeepSeek's R1's powerful AI models right on your computer, without needing an internet connection, without big techs tracking your every move, and without compromising your privacy. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the real question. Is it actually safe? Can we trust these AI models not to secretly send data, scan our files, or introduce hidden security risks? Today, we are breaking it all down, step by step, so you can run AI locally and securely on your computer. I'll be using the latest MacBook Pro with M4 Max, but the steps are similar for other operating systems. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive in. But before we get started, a quick introduction. Who am I? I'm a technologist with over 18 years of experience in AI, security, and advanced computing. I've worked with cutting-edge technologies, and today I'm here to break it all down for you, simply and safely. Now let's explore how you can run AI models locally, avoid hidden risks, and make sure your computer stays secure. But why should you care running it locally? You don't have to run AI models like DeepSeek R1 locally. In fact, right now it's one of the hottest apps on App Store. It even surpassed ChatGPT when it was initially announced. Plus, it's super easy to access through your browser. No, please pause. Before you jump in, there is a major privacy risk you need to know about. DeepSeek just turned the AI world upside down with their groundbreaking models. They have done something shocking, outperforming industry giants like OpenAI with far fewer resources. OpenAI spent over $100 million training its models, while DeepSeek pulled off something extraordinary with just $6 million and a fraction of the GPUs. So what does it mean for you? It means smaller, leaner AI models which are getting better and more accessible. And that's why you should be thinking about running them locally. But how do you do it safely? Why shouldn't you use DeepSeek online? One word: data. When you use AI in cloud, your conversations and data aren't private. Whatever you input is stored on their servers. And guess what? They can do whatever they want with it. That includes logging your conversations, selling data insights, training future AI models on your prompts. Though this is true for most AI tools like ChatGPT, Meta, Twitter, which is X. But with DeepSeek, there's another major concern. Its servers are in China. And under China's cybersecurity laws, authorities can request access to any data stored within their borders. That means your data is subject to their regulations.
No, thank you.
This is why running AI models locally is the future. But how do you do it without compromising security? Okay, without further ado, let's get straight into the steps to get everything set up on your local machine. First things first, head over to Ollama.com on your browser. You will see a prominent download button. Click it and choose the Mac OS version, or your specific OS. Once downloaded, installation is a breeze, since Ollama is command line based and super lightweight. But what is Ollama? Ollama is a command line tool that acts as a platform to manage and run AI models locally on your computer. It can be thought of as a lightweight server or runtime environment designed specifically for AI applications. By using Ollama, tech enthusiasts can execute, control, and monitor AI models directly from their terminal, providing full control over the AI's operation without the need for cloud services. Now, this setup not only ensures faster performance due to the absence of network latency, but also enhances data privacy, as all computations are kept on the local machine. After installation, open your terminal. For newcomers, you'll find the terminal app in your utilities folder. Now type Ollama-H to see all available commands. Focus on the serve and run command. These are crucial for our next steps. Let's start the Ollama service by typing Ollama serve. You should see it running on localhost, typically on port 11434. Make a note of this. Now to downloading and running the model. Let's grab the Deepseek R1 model. Back on Ollama.com, hit the models link. Today, we are using the 32 billion parameter version. It's hefty, but manageable for modern computers. Copy the command provided, switch back to terminal and paste it. Hit enter. The download will take a few minutes. Perfect time for a quick coffee break. Welcome back. With the model downloaded, it's ready for use. Watch how it processes tasks and manages RAM usage. Quite impressive. Now let's address privacy. Disconnect from Wi-Fi and run some queries to demonstrate it does not need internet access. You now have Deepseek running on your local computer safely. To further assure you, let's check network connections with a script to confirm all traffic is local, i.e. to 127.0.0.1, particularly on port 11434. The script, along with the other notes, are pinned below. Alright, let's stop this 32B version by typing /pi. Done. Now let's download the 1.5B version. You will see Ollama is reaching out to the internet to download the 1.5B version, which it has to, and that's perfectly fine. Now that you're running Deepseek locally and securely, let's make it even more secure. For ultimate security, let's use Docker to isolate Ollama. But first, what exactly is Docker? Docker is a platform that uses containers to make it easier to create, deploy, and run applications. Containers allow you to package up an application with all of its parts, such as libraries and other dependencies, and ship it all out as one package. This ensures that the application will run on any machine, regardless of the underlying settings that might differ from the environment where the application was developed. If you haven't installed Docker yet, and you're using macOS, here's how. First, ensure you have Homebrew. Then run brew install cask docker. It's important to note that Docker currently does not have access to the Mac's M-series GPUs. This means that while Docker will run on your Mac, it won't be able to take advantage of the GPU's capabilities. For Windows users, you will need to download Docker Desktop from the Docker website. Once installed, Docker Desktop will guide you through the setup process, including enabling features like the WSL2 backend, if you're not already using it. This is required for Docker to run smoothly on Windows. Additionally, Docker on Windows supports NVIDIA's GPUs, allowing you to leverage your hardware to its full potential for compute. This open A command will open the Docker UI. Once Docker is installed, pull the Ollama container and run it. This isolation prevents any software from affecting your system setup and ensures that everything runs within its own secure environment. I'll show you how to set this up in detail. Follow the video. You can see that Docker has no container running at the moment. We will now use the docker run command to run Ollama container on port 11434. And the Ollama container is now available. Now we will use the docker exec command to run a command inside the Ollama container. Use the Ollama pull command as shown previously to pull the model. Now use the Ollama run command to run Deepseek. And there you go. Now you're running Deepseek inside a Docker container. If you wish, you can use the docker stop and rm command to remove the Ollama container from Docker. And that's it. You have successfully set up a robust AI model locally with no external data concerns. If you found this content helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks for joining us.